Hey, what's going on, you guys? So in today's video, I am going to show you how you can download Sinister Squidward on PC. Now, this is going to be very quick and easy. So let's do this. So first, open up your web browser and go to the website called rainbash.itch.io and search for Sinister Squidward, and you should get into this page. Now in here, you will see information about the game. So here you can see the plot summary, and you can also see the controls, and you can also see more information about the game. Now you can download by clicking this button, and it will show you this pop-up window. Now if you don't want to donate, all you have to do is click on no thanks. Just take me to the downloads, and it will take you to the download page. Now choose your system, and I am running on Windows, so I will choose Windows. Now after that, you need to extract it, and after you extract it, you can open the folder, and from here you need to keep all the files in the same folder. If you do not keep all the files in the same folder, this game is not going to run. Now with that being said, all you have to do is just click on the .exe, and the game should start without any problems. Alright, so that's it for this video, guys. I hope this is helpful for you. Thank you for watching, and I will see you on the next one.